Drafting sleeve pattern for men's polo. Fold the pattern paper into 2 halves. Center fold at the left hand. Measure 1 inch from the top edge. Draw a line perpendicular to the center fold. Write the actual body measurements ABM and the computed measurements CM correctly. Mark the corner A. From point A, measure downward using the sleeve length. Mark it B. Draw a horizontal line to the right. From A, measure 5 inches downward and mark C. Draw a horizontal line from C. From A, draw a diagonal line equal to 1/2 of armhole down to line C. Mark it D. Line B, E is equal to line CD minus 1 inch. From point A, measure 3/4 inch to the right and write F. Connect points A and D with a diagonal line. Connect points D and E. Divide line AD into 2 equal parts. Observe how line AD is divided into 2 equal parts. Draw a line perpendicular to line AD from the middle point. Measure 1/4 from the middle point. Mark the midpoint G, measure a 1/4 inch from G to locate point G1. G2 is a 1/4 inch from G1. Shape the armhole using the French curve. Connect points F and G1. Then connect G1 to D to complete the front armhole. Connect points F to G2, then G2 to D for the back armhole. Transfer markings by tracing line A, G1 and G1D to the other half of the pattern. Trace also lines ED and BE. Apply allowances. 1/2 inch to line A G2D. Apply allowance of 2 inches from line BE. Apply allowance of 1/2 inch from line DE. Shape the allowance of the armhole with French curve, especially for beginners. Cut along the edge of the allowance. Make sure to include the other half of the pattern. Fold the lower edge or hem allowance as shown in the video. Observe how the hem allowance is folded and follow the procedure of cutting. Add 1/2 inch allowance to the front armhole you traced earlier and cut. Mark front and back. Pattern is done. God bless.